Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Technical Bug and this is my YouTube channel Technical Bug, and this video is sponsored by Apple iPhone 7. So today I am going to review about Apple iPhone 7 review. So if we talk about today's best deal, then it's available on Amazon with around $159. So if we talk about its specification, then it comes with no longer sold directly by Apple, but it remains one of the cheapest iPhone around and pack all the modern features included in iOS 14. The iPhone 7 has long been an entry-level option, which is great news for those in the market for cheap iPhone. It's even cheaper during deal season like the Gallup and the Black Friday on November 27 and Cyber Monday after expect to see the iPhone 7 sold. So if we talk about its specification, then it comes with 32 GB, 128 GB, 649 dollars its price. And if we talk about its design, then its water resistance bring confidence in the rootedness of device. Same design as previous 2 years. Headphone jack removal is inconvenient. The two bigger design changes on the iPhone 7 are big talking points. It can now survive plugins in swimming pools thanks to water resistant. And let's start with the biggest those changes. The omission of headphone jack. It's a bold move from Apple, although calling it courageous during the launch even was a bit much. So if we talk about the loss of sports will impact user a varying degrees. For some people it will be no more than a shrug before they get on with their day. So if we talk about this survey results, this survey conducted that our three communities, we noticed that about 60 people wearing headphones, 34 using the bundled earbuds that Apple offers, given that many of those people might not have been using an iPhone. That's higher number than expected. If we talk about its weight, then it comes with 138 gram weight, iOS 12, 4.7 inch screen. If we talk about its resolution, then it comes with 750 into 3334 resolution. If we talk about Apple, it's 8 and Fusion, 2 GB RAM. And if we talk about its dual speakers, it comes with 7.71 millimeter thickness. So if we talk about its review, the overall design of the iPhone 7 was not anything new really even at launch. And unless you are looking at the black version, the dark version has the antenna bands colored in a black iPhone logo and weighted shine to plastic. It's all kind of like an iPhone 5C was given the pretty woman treatment, if that makes any sense. So you can always protect your phone with one of the best iPhone 7 cases. Have 25% of brightness boost and more colors hard to spot. Softness is still far lower than competitors. However, in a day to use, wouldn't notice much wrong with the screen at all, as even the HD solution on offer you are still got decent mood of pixels, so internet browsing and movie watching is still clean and crisp now. So they don't have impressed sound quality of it's not good to the sound quality of iPhone 7 is not good. Speaker also not good. So the audio is a little on the tiny side, but for just showing off YouTube video or watching a movie in a twin tune, they more than fine. It's not a perfect setup for listening to music. There need to be more breadth that Apple has pushed things forward. So if you like more videos, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Hope so that you like my review. So we'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.